Welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. We are working on a 16 by 16 inch canvas. We are going to be using these plastic Tom Collins style cups to pour, and we are going to do, I think, a kiss pour. And I am going to be using an array of leftover purples. This is Prism Violet by Liquitex. This is Brushed Metallic Sapphire. I have 24K Gold, Dioxazine Purple. I have Golden's Iridescent Pearl White, and I think I see a clump in there. Like I said, these are leftover paint, so, you know, we'll just see how it does. And then I also have a mix of some kind of purple going on here. I think there's a little bit of white and dioxazine, I'm not quite sure. And then this is the white for my new Galaxy Pour recipe. So that is also something we will be using. And we're just gonna start layering these cups up. So I'm just gonna start on some white in the beginning. And then, let's see here. Maybe some of the Brushed Metallic Sapphire. And I'm gonna follow it up with this mix here. Now I'm gonna go down the cup on each side. I think I'm gonna mix it up actually. Ooh, I also have this pink flash kind of color. We'll use that in there, give it some nice sparkle. And come in. And a little bit of gold, just a little bit, because it goes a long way. Follow that up with the iridescent Golden's white. Of white here. I feel like I kind of want a darker purple, so here we go. I'll come in with the metallic sapphire here. I'm just gonna work on one cup. It's a little bit easier, I think, on some level. I come in with this pretty mix. And so we'll stop right there for that one. Let's see. I'm gonna actually drizzle a little bit of the gold right there. And then come in with some white. Dioxazine. just noticed my cup is actually cracked, so it's kind of pretty over here. It's coming out of the side crack, so we are just gonna get to this. And we are just gonna start to pour now. I am, however, gonna put a little bit of my recipe mix right there. And we're gonna let them kiss. Those over there. I'm gonna give it a torch. Lots of air bubbles because I did have to wake the paints up a bit. Okay, so what I'm gonna actually do is just use up the rest as flow extenders, but I am gonna there's so much to look at. I'm gonna turn it this way. think I'm gonna bring it down this way just a smidge and off that corner because I just want to open up those cells a bit more, and I really love the deep purple in that corner. All right, well, what we're gonna do here is transfer it to a table after we bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here it is. Very happy with this. All these beautiful cells, and this center is so pretty with the metallic blue in there. Pardon the glare, but here you go. Stronger than the others think, and who cares if you might mess it up?